If you're new to this channel, you know I'm not for sale. And to prove it, let me run you through some of the shittiest products I've come across from companies I've been accused of being sold out to. This so-called white Spider Farmer tent is the worst tent that I've ever had. Instead of white, it's more of a dull steel gray, but worse than the color is its design. In the front of the tent, there's light leaks, and opening it is a royal pain in the ass because you have to unzip both sides, then roll up the center straight and tight, then strap a clip to secure it to keep it open. Yeah, I'm not doing that every single time. Another shitty product is this AC Infinity CO2 sensor that works with their new AI controller. And by work, I mean it doesn't. I wanted to use this for a CO2 tutorial, but the first one came in defective, they replaced it, second one came in defective, and third, I'm not even chancing. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if it got recalled, but despite these two companies being bashed, I still recommend products from them all the time. In this video, I'm gonna run through the top 8 tips I could give you for purchasing indoor grow equipment in 2025. Number 1, when it comes to anything that deals with humidity or temperature, buy it from a brand that Costco would sell. Costco themselves offers an automatic 2-year warranty on all of their devices, and trust me, none of the grow equipment companies can come close to the performance of these select brands because they have decades of experience and specialize in heat, cooling, and humidity. Also, Costco applies pressure to make sure that these companies have quality products because if they have a high return rate, then they'll lose their contract to sell at Costco, which is a big enough of an impact to bankrupt these companies. Number 2, newsflash. If you're the type of person who wants everything in their tent to be one brand, your setup will never be optimal. I tried everything, and no single company is the best at everything. Number 3, speaking of 3, avoid a 3x3 tent. I find them to be too small for 4 plants, just right for 3 plants, but 3 plants is like trying to fit a triangle in a square. Instead, get this oversized 2x4 by Spider Farmer, which replaced that shitty white one, and this has more square footage than a 3x3 and is much easier to access. No light leaks too. Number 4, the quality of a tent matters for anything above 4x4. You want poles that are strong enough to do pull-ups in, and the only 2 that didn't break were AC Infinity and VivoSun's Pro Series. These have the thickest poles, the highest grade mylar, and honestly, both of them are the same quality, so get whichever one is the cheapest that you could find. Number 5. AC Infinity still reigns supreme in inline fan kits and carbon filters. In 2025, I gave every brand a chance to catch up, and my wifey test from 2022 still stands. The quality of AC Infinity's carbon still filters out smells the best, and the fans are still the quietest. I mean, it makes sense because AC Infinity is a company that started with providing airflow to recording studios. So again, experience is key. Number 6, Amazon is the best place to buy grow equipment because of their return policy. VivoSun, Spider Farmer, and Mars Hydro are cheaper when you buy directly on their site, but why you shouldn't is because of their customer service. I've seen too many stories of products getting replaced by used items, and it's always a hassle to deal with them when something goes wrong. Even when they send you the wrong orders, it takes weeks to fix because they're gonna expect you to ship them back before they ship out the replacements. AC Infinity has really high shipping fees, so buying directly from them is gonna be more expensive than Amazon. Amazon just makes returns so easy, and for example, that shitty white tent I bought was returned because, quote, I didn't like it. Number 7, shrinkflation is real. Before you go and trust a YouTube video review, keep in mind that the model number may be the same, but the product was likely updated, and by update, I mean big old downgrade. For example, take this SE4500. I used to rave about it, but ethically, I took down my review because I didn't want to trap new growers. The version I had in 2024 had 4 bars total and 1,484 LEDs. Now the 2025 tariff-proof Trap a New Grower version only has 3 bars and 765 LEDs. You can't even find the count on their listing because they scrubbed it, and this is the same thing that Mars Hydro did, and the only company that ethically stood by their product is AC Infinity. So if you're wondering where all my Mars Hydro and Spider Farmer, they're the same company, stupid, reviews went, it's because the products are not what they used to be. Number 8, there's value in honest reviews, and unfortunately, most viewers don't understand that without your support, creators have to sell out, and I don't blame them. If you buy something because of them, use their promo codes or affiliate links. If you value this content and you want to support me, check the description for a list of discount codes from basically every company in the grow space. Understand that I will never be for sale, and I'll only recommend things if I actually use it.